How do you say this in Japanese? Yahoo! 皆さん、こんにちは。Talk in Japan のアマンダです。今日は毎週月曜日は Vocabulary Live です。日本語の単語ライブを配信をします。I will be live streaming every Monday to share Japanese vocabulary with you. 今日は Furniture の単語を勉強します。Furniture and home appliance.So if you are planning to live in Japan, you must know all these words. When I first arrived in Japan, I rented an apartment. I needed to buy some furniture and home appliance, but I didn't know how to say the name of this item in Japanese. I learned the phrase どこで買いますか from my Japanese textbook, which means where can I buy the blah blah blah. どこで買いますか But when it came to asking for the specific item in Japanese, I was lost. For example, to the microwave. So I just kind of point and gesture when I need something. So have you this kind of experience? So not all Japanese people can understand English. So it's always best to communicate with other ways. If you know how to say this in Japanese, it can make the much easier for you to buy furniture or home appliance, and also much easier to communicate with the local Japanese speaker. So in this live, we will learn how to say furniture and home appliance in Japanese. So today's title is Furniture, kagu, furniture, kagu. And next, home appliance, kaden. Ka means house or home, den which means electricity. So kaden. Table, table. Chair, 椅子 TV stand, テレビ台 Telebi which means TV, 台 which means stand. テレビ台 Sofa, cushion, bed, closet, shelf, 棚 bookshelf, 本棚 mirror, 鏡 carpet, 絨毯 curtain, カーテン outlet, コンセント clock, 時計 home appliance, 家電 refrigerator, 冷蔵庫 microwave, 電子レンジ 電子レンジ rice cooker 炊飯器炊飯器炊飯器 oven 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 toaster 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 air conditioner aircon 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 fan 扇風機扇風機扇風機 heater ストーブストーブストーブ vacuum 掃除機掃除機掃除機 washing machine 洗濯機洗濯機洗濯機 or you may say 洗濯機洗濯機洗濯機 drying machine 乾燥機乾燥機乾燥機 sewing machine 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 television テレビテレビテレビテレビ remote controller リモコンリモコンリモコン computer パソコンパソコンパソコン hair dryer ドライヤードライヤードライヤー speaker スピーカースピーカースピーカー humidifier 加湿器加湿器加湿器 coffee maker コーヒーメーカーコーヒーメーカーコーヒーメーカー telephone 電話電話電話 ventilation fan 換気扇換気扇換気扇はい、いかがでしょうか Did you find it helpful? If you found this helpful, please share and subscribe をよろしくお願いします or give me a like button please. So the list above contents of furniture and home appliance item I have gathered so far. If you think there are any furniture or home appliance are missing, please let me know in the comment box below. If you want to review these topics again, we have some good news for you. We prepared a free PDF file for you to download. So you can easily access it from the link below. Simply click the link to download the PDF file. We will very appreciate if you can watch this live section again and again in our channel. So our next week topics will be Master Kitchen Tools Vocabulary in Japanese. And this coming Wednesday, we will have a 生活用日本語 Finding a house in Japan. So, what you need to know when you are living in Japan or you plan to live in Japan will guide you to how to find a house in Japan. So if you want to know more details, please check or subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out. So we will try our best to provide very useful information and daily communication in Japanese. So please check the more details in our channels. はい。それでは見てくれてありがとう。それでは See you in the next live stream. またね